famous for all these twisting tales. They normally twist things, and it is DMK who normally malign the women, criticizing the women. Even while I moved out of the Congress party and joined the BJP, the DMK was so pertinent in putting very bad remarks about me. Then they did not think that I am not a woman, I am also a woman. They maligned, they spoke very badly, and it is DMK's usual stance that they normally used to target the women and harass them and speak very badly about the women. It is BJP, it is Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has given all importance to the women folk, and the BJP has given so much of importance to women, and we are here very peacefully sailing in the BJP party. One should understand that, and whatever comments by our respected state president, it is in good sense and it cannot be twisted, and DMK is purposely twisting things.
Why you see BJP, as you said, that giving importance for women like whether it's president or former president of Tamil Nadu?
Yeah, BJP had women presidents, and they have been performing so well, and there are women legislators in BJP, and they are also performing so well. And when that being so, it is not just a comment that could be brushed aside by DMK twisting the matter, whatever he spoke. It is in a good sense and good remark he made it, but purposely DMK is twisting it against Vijay and maligning Vijay also. This is happening. It's a two-stage, two-pronged attack on both the BJP as well as the Vijay TVK. Purposely DMK is doing all this, and we should understand the tactics by DMK playing all this nonsense against the women folk.
We have seen 4 MLAs, 2 are from women in Tamil Nadu. Also, can we expect women thing in the coming election?
Yes, definitely. See, the Women Reservation Bill has been enacted as an act by the BJP government in the centre, and Honorable Prime Minister has made it ensured 33% reservation for women in the legislature and the parliament, and it's very clear that women are going to get their portion of their share in the political arena, and when that being so, more women are definitely going to be part of the political process in the BJP party. There is no second thought about it.
What's the comment about